Okay, this is the second part of document recognition exercise. So this code was written as per instructions. It starts with configuring endpoint and key. I moved key to the separate file, so it's not seen here. Basically, configuration file. This is a document we need to parse. We can click it and here it is. This is a sample document, Microsoft Corporation and so on. And next we are creating document analysis client. This is our published service. These are keys which I am not going to show. And we connect and start analyzing document by this file URL. Then we obtain result, we print result, and we print some fields from the result. Here is the output. So this is the structure of this parse document. I should have formatted, and these are the fields which were parsed: vendor name, customer name, invoice total. Okay, this is formatted JSON, which I saved into a separate file. It actually highlights all and any words individually with polygon around them. And this is content as text, so it can be read as a whole thing. Okay, let's try some other document. Okay, this is another document I added for analysis. This is how it looks like. Let's see what we are going to get from it. I'm running it by this command, Python document analysis. Okay. It has successfully passed, recognized customer name and invoice total. And let's see what we've got. Invoice, bill, so on. Judo example, quality, unit price, various dollars, account, and so on. Yes, the information seems correct. The document angle is -13. Let's try one more document. This is this document. The word angle, the letters are not very clear, but I hope it will understand it. Actually, a language is not English. Okay, customer name John Peterson, invoice total. Okay, angle is -29, and we've got all the words. Total and so on. Phone number, is it correct? Looks like correct. So I've got this Python code which connects to Azure and uses Azure Document Intelligence agent to recognize these documents. And here we have 3 outputs of these parsed invoices. Finally, we can go to Microsoft Azure. This is Document Intelligence by IV. Here we can see activity log of requests that were made. And these are made on a resource group called OCR. This is a price entire, 500 pages per month, 20 calls per minute. That's what we allow it. On standard, we are allowed 1 call per minute, and I believe we're going to pay for each call. Or we can pay for each number of calls. On metrics, I have put together some kind of dashboard which shows how many data I have sent to Azure. And I have sent 1.5 megabytes, more or less. Here are the sizes of the documents can be seen. Yes. Yeah, this is the maximum size of the document. Basically, this is, or it's actually per some time. Okay, anyway, this is the activity of this service within the last 24 hours, by which we can analyze who calls it and how much resources are used.